Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Every Specialist. So I think I did a video on this earlier. I'm gonna do one again. This is a Grand Design Reflection. That's a 11 of 2021, so it's technically a 2022. It's a 303 RLS. The owner just recently purchased this unit and found us online on whether it be Facebook or YouTube. And they said, hey, seen your video, went out after the fact that I just bought it to go see if there was any cracks in my frame. He actually found one crack in his frame, but when he was looking, he also found two areas on the frame where there was an issue at one point with the slide out rails, and the slide out rails ended up getting cut and burned out. And here's where Zach's done a patch. I'll try to get to a better angle here. I sat down in the wrong spot, but usually we're seeing cracks in the I-beams, things that are broken loose, hangers that are cracking. You know, some of them don't have the V hangers in them like this center does. So we can add the V hangers to them if you like, but we're looking for cracks in here. And so in the other video that you've seen, you know, we took the fender skirts off so we don't damage them. This one actually had a crack in it already, and we noted that down beforehand. We had another one in here that had the same jack on it, and they hit it and damaged the whole frame on that. Oops, sorry about the license plate. So over here on this side, we ended up doing one crack, and this was covered by Grand Design. So over here you can see this plate that got put in, and it got modified. So we cut it, ground off all the areas. Basically, when we find a crack, what we're doing is we're drilling out the ends of the crack. You know, we're grinding everything up, cleaning it up, drilling it out, filling it with weld, grinding it back flat, clean up the whole overall surface, weld in this bracket that we get from Lippert. And if you go to our posts or articles, you'll see the part number for those brackets. You'll see the bulletins for those. And then usually it goes to, depending on the coach, what's in the way. If there's nothing in the way, we'll add a cross beam. That's kind of like those X Factor kits that go from the cross supports. But this one had some plumbing stuff in the way, so we can't add them on it. So it's just an option. If it's accessible, do it. If it's not, we get told not to do it. So, and then, like I said, further up over here, where the rails are at, over in this area, they actually, where the rails are put in that go from, this is the opposite side of the slide out that controls the other room on that side. Somehow, some way, the metal was torched through and they just blistered it up. So Zach got in here, welded on both sides of the channel. So it's kind of like a C channel. He welded on both sides of that, welded up all the holes out here, ground them down, finished them, and then made a patch and put a patch on there to support it. So he did that on both sides of this unit. But you never know what you're going to find.